Guys, we have two birds in our porch.
Yeah. Don't be harmful, Miner. Don't be such a scary cat.
I need gloves.
That's how you're supposed to do it. You forgot your gloves, man? But there's no gloves. Are you just gonna use this?
Yes.
Can't see. Where are you? Oh shoot, that one's...
Let's go.
And you gotta be serious.
Pull it down. Let's go.
You stop crazy, bird. Be a nice pelican. Be a nice pelican, whatever you are. Fly, be free. Oh my God, this teaches lesson. Bird.
Come on. Let me scale.
You got him?
Yeah.
Look at this precious bird. Oh shoot. What was that for? That pelican just slid into my face.
Yeah. Okay. I hit. Well, hook it.
It's only worth it online.
Oh, zoom it.
Come on, pelican, pelican. I can't see. The viewers can't. Oh shit! There we go. Oh, he hit his head very hard. Look what a very cute pelican. What a very cute pelican. He leaves to the...
He stuck to me. He's it now. Ow, it's hitting me. No.
Ah. Good boys! I was.